Come on, we gotta get back on the boat. The weather's not looking so good. And by the way, about that mermaid...
Oh, no, you know, it's too dangerous out here. I have to get you back to the boat. Now.
I cannot believe that you snuck him on board. This was supposed to be a family vacation.
Oh, but Mom, he practically is family.
I just thought that you've done enough thinking around here, bucko. Oh, come on.
Now, calm down, everyone. Calm down. Everything's gonna be all right. Why don't you have a seat? Listen to some reggae and relax, Ron.
Mommy, I don't feel so good. I think I'm seasick.
Oh dear. Well, I have some Dramamine here in my bag.
Okay.
Why don't you take this, go find a table. I'm going to stay here and have some fun, okay?
I'm gonna order up a dark and stormy. Give me a hurricane. I've had just about enough from you, my friend.
Oh, calm down.
Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Saying don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds perched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Saying don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds perched on my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you.